Out this 2022 Sylvan L1 DLZ Tri-Toon. Gorgeous boat. This one's blue with a silver stripe. Do have a full-length center tune. It does have the performance package, so you get the underskin, the lifting strakes, 25-inch tunes, docking lights in the front. Show you inside here. It's got two bench loungers in the front, two-tone gray interior, seaweed flooring, cup holders. There's also storage under all the seats. It's a real unique layout. In the back here you have a double bench, and makes kind of like a booth. They face each other. You have a big table in the center. You could sit and have lunch, play cards. Kids can color. Very usable space. Down there you have some storage and phone chargers. Something unique about this layout, this bench here you can flip towards the back and sit next to the driver. There's storage under the benches as well. You can also take this big table out and flip this long bench forward. You can sit off the back there, or you could take the table out and put it all the way down, and it makes a big lounger for those of you that want to sunbathe. Back here we have stainless rails with two gates. Nice wide stainless ladder with 4 steps. It goes really deep into the water. Ski tow. A 150 horse Mercury. Show that to you there. Great motor. Does have the extended deck here, so you have extra space to get on and off the boat. Some storage over here, also doubles as a bench for people that want to sit and talk to people that are at the table. We have the cover in there right now, which is included, and you do get an electric bimini with it. Really nice high back captain's chair with armrests, tilt steering, phone holder with charger. That space there you could use for storage, or you could have a GPS installed, depth finder, and storage under the helm. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.